How to tell the difference between the black-throated canary and the white-throated canary. Part 7. First of all, the black-throated canary is smaller at 11.5 centimeters and 11 grams, whereas the white-throated canary is a bit bigger at 15 centimeters and 27 grams. The first thing I look at in the field is the bill. The black-throated canary has a smaller, finer bill than the white-throated canary, which has a very large, chunky, heavy bill. The black-throated canary has a dark or sometimes black throat, whereas the white-throated canary has a white throat. The black-throated canary on the left was photographed in the Northwest Province, and it is a race with the darkest black throat. The race of the black-throated canary in the northern parts of South Africa has a very black prominent throat patch, whereas the race in the Eastern Cape, where I see them, has a very pale throat patch, and sometimes it's even absent in the Nama Karoo race. The black-throated canary has pinkish-brown legs, whereas the white-throated canary has darker blackish-brown legs. And they both have yellow rumps, which makes it a bit confusing in the field. A black-throated canary foraging. Look how very camouflaged this black-throated canary is against the pale hay. The dark throat patch and the yellow rump showing. And a white-throated canary singing. This white-throated canary was calling and showing off his white throat beautifully.